Here we come to the West Portal elevator at Cityplace Uptown Station in Dallas, Texas. I just got off of that elevator right there. See, that's the incline elevator that I just got off. Here is the West elevator to the street. Lantern doesn't work. All right, let's go up. That is one sounding motor. They replaced the motor since I last recorded these. Let's listen to it now. Epic. The motor has definitely been replaced since last time. We'll get a cavity now. Okay, never mind. Sorry.
Oh, you're good.